Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review 5 tinted sunscreens for you all. But is it that dreamy or is it that easy to find a tinted sunscreen here in India? Not that easy, because you need to understand which of the tinted ones is going to suit your skin tone. That is another struggle we have, like on the another level, right? So all of that we're going to cover in this video. Let's start. The very first sunscreen that I'm going to talk about is Lakme Sun Expert, and this is SPF 50 PA+++, so it is a broad spectrum sunscreen. So when I talk about the ingredients, it is a hybrid sunscreen. It does have OMC in it, it has zinc oxide, it has titanium oxide. All of that is a good one. The icky part here was that it does have a lot of perfuming to it. So it does have a very nice tint in a way that it does adjust to your skin tone. I think because Lakme has been making their CC creams or so, they do know the formula well, and they have added, I think, the same formula in this sunscreen part. That's what I'm imagining, and it just, color adjusts itself to your skin tone. That's what I feel. I really like this sunscreen. I've been using it for quite some time now. So if you are one of those who is not a big fan of fragrance and perfume in their skincare ingredients, then I wouldn't recommend. Then you can skip it totally. This was my Lakme. The other one is Lotus Organics. A surprising thing here also again that I found out was that this sunscreen is a mineral sunscreen. It does not have any chemical filters to it. It is SPF 40. It is UVA, PA+++, UVB, both of the protection. That means it's a broad spectrum sunscreen. They also say that it's preservative and artificial fragrance free, all skin types, and it's tinted obviously. The ingredient list, if you look at that, it looks clean. It does have zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, and it does not have any alcohol, fragrances and all of that. The tint is quite nice, and it is a little bit more than the Lakme one. And if you are a little bit on the darker side, or even I love using it, I have used it and it was fine, only little bit tad bit darker for my skin tone. But if you are like very fair and porcelain color, then it won't suit you. Another thing here is with this one is that if you are like me, if you have combination skin and if you have dry skin, more towards the dry, this is not going to suit you, because this is ultra matte sunscreen. So this is going to suit only the people who have super oily skin. The next sunscreen that we're going to talk about is from the brand UV Med tinted sunscreen, and this is UVB UVA SPF 50 triple. It has 4+++, so that means it's going to give you even more protection from UVA as compared to the other twos that I talked about. It is a hybrid sunscreen, so it's not purely mineral or chemical. Okay, so I had to tilt my camera like this side. A lot of direct sun was hitting my face. Only thing is here is that if you talk about the tint is not that great. It is like very light color tint it has. So if you are one of those who doesn't want something very tinted but wants a sunscreen which would be affordable and which won't give you a lot of white cast, it won't give you any white cast. Can you see that? Doesn't give any white cast at all. So if you are looking for a tinted sunscreen, this won't work for you. But if you are looking for something that won't give you white cast, will be a little bit of tinted and is affordable, then you can definitely go for this one. Moving on to the next sunscreen is from Reequil. This is their sheer zinc tinted sunscreen, and it is SPF 50 PA+++. It is 100% mineral sunscreen, and it is UVA UVB IR protection, also infrared protection. So the thing is here with this one, I really like the formula. It is so creamy, it's so matte, and it is not very drying. It does slide on your face like butter, and I really like the finish of this one. The only problem that I have with this one is that if you talk about the tint here, it is quite dark for my skin tone. So it is still workable when you spread it, especially if you have lighter skin tones. If you have porcelain skin, this one is not going to suit you. No problem with going darker. I really love and I really feel and appreciate the Vitish skin tone. The only problem I have here is that if you apply it on the fair skin ones, then it makes your skin look dull, and we are not looking for any dullness here. So if you are on the Vitish skin tone, you're gonna love this. I would highly recommend that you buy this sunscreen. The formula is amazing. Now moving on to the fifth one, which is from Cipla Rivella tint sunscreen lotion. This one is also another hybrid sunscreen. This is not purely physical, not purely chemical, and it does come in this pump kind of dispenser. So when you see this one, look at the tint. This has perfect matching tint for my skin tone, and I think it would suit most of the skin tone because it's not very light, it's not very dark, and the formula is also very light, where it's very liquidy. I really like the formula of this one also because it just glides onto your skin, doesn't feel heavy, and it's good for the ones who have mature skin, who have dry skin. I think it would look great on them. So if you have mature skin, 40 plus or so, and dry or so, you can try this one. You do let me know in the comment box any other tinted sunscreen that you have been trying, you've been loving, or you want me to try. So I will be more than happy to know that. And do take care, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with other people who would love to find out about the tinted sunscreens, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.